Hello friends, Namaskar. This is Dr. Pradeep Singh from Kashi Hindu Vishwavidyalaya, Varanasi. So here we are in Bundelkhand, Creighton, India, and currently our location somewhere in Jhansi. So you can see this. So today we are going to talk about the basement rock or basement unit of Bundelkhand, Creighton, that is tonalite tronzamite granodiorite, also we known as TTG. So today we are going to talk about you can see this these hillocks are the pink granites, but the basement are the exposed by the tonalite tronzamite granodiorites. Here you can see Ajay, you can show this is a pink granite, very fine grained pink granite or micro pink granite, you can see this. Okay, here let me show you some samples. Look at the fining part of this, and now we will show you a very sharp contact of pink granite and the basement rock tonalite tronzamite granite. You can see this is the pink granite, and this pink granite age is around 2.5 billion years, whereas this tonalite tronzamite granodiorites that we have dated in a laboratory in University of Campinas in Brazil during my PhD work, and shows 3.44 billion years old ages of using uranium lead dating that is done by the zircon minerals. So now we are moving here. You can see the similar exposures. Better to you move first and okay. Yeah, so here now we can see, maybe you can stop for a. Okay, so we are just moving to the hillock, and you can see these are the pink granite intrusion. These pink granites is occupied more than 70-80% of this craton, and everywhere full of the pink granite or anatactic granites. So what I mean by anatactic granites? Anatactic granites, it's potassium-rich granites formed by the anatexis process. Okay, what is anatexis process? Is when granitic materials remelted and again form the granitic melt, and that granitic melt generated or formed a new granitic rocks, whatever. So we called as anatactic rocks. Okay, now even we have published one article in Journal of Asian Earth Science to addressing the issues between anatactic granites and sannicketoid. Sannicketoid is, what is the sannicketoid? Sannicketoid is like potassium rich, magnesium rich granodiorites. Okay, so these sannicketoids are rich in mantle materials, elements, let's say magnesium, nickel, chromium, etc. Now let's come here. Okay. So now you can see this exposure, a wonderful exposure. Here you can see the very beautiful sharp contact. Okay, you can see this sharp contact. These are the tonalite tronzamite granites, but these are the microgranites. So this is a contact boundary. You can see, focus here please. See the grain size differences. Okay, here, and now let's come to this side. Yeah, come here. Yeah, so this is a very typical structure of the basement rock, and we have collected samples from these locations in 2016, and we have separated zircon from this TTG, And not only from this, we have tried to collect some other parts to make is representative of this Pluton, and also from the you can show this other part over there as well. We have collected some samples. So, and here you can see. So we have studied, and these rock are the plagioclase and amphiboles, and some micas are also present, and the cave feldspar as well, but plagioclase are richer in these materials. And we have analyzed zircons using laser ablation ICP-MS at the University of Campinas in Brazil while completing my PhD project. So not only this location, we have also collected various places. So what is the basement rock? Let me explain you what is the basement rock. Basement rock is like the primordial crust within the craton, okay, that provide the basement to form the different kind of supracrustal rocks. For example, ultramafic rocks, banded iron formations, felsic volcanics, and you can see this. You can show this all the pink granites, okay, or anatactic granites. There are many different kinds. Even the granodiorite, some of the granodiorite, mongogranite, mongonites, etc. Okay, so these basement rocks basically exposed in a linear belt from Mahoba to Jhansi, east-west direction, along the central Bundelkhand tectonic zone. Okay, and the greenstone belt is also associated with this belt, and basically exposed in Babina, Jhansi, somewhere in some places of Jhansi as well, Mauranipur and Mahoba, Charkhari, Kabrai, all these places. So that's all for the basement rock in Bundelkhand Craton. If you are interested to read more about the Bundelkhand basement rocks, we recently published in one paper in Precambrian Research. You can visit my profile, Pradeep K. Singh from BA2. You can find all the details. Thank you.